10 Healthy Diet Meal Plans for Long-Term Weight Loss. Achieving long-term weight loss requires a strategic approach to meal planning. Here are 10 healthy diet meal plans that promote sustainable weight management while ensuring balanced nutrition. 1. Mediterranean diet, focus on whole foods. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with honey and fruit. Lunch, quinoa salad with chickpeas. Dinner, grilled salmon with vegetables. 2. Plant-based diet, prioritize vegetables and legumes. Breakfast, overnight oats with berries. Lunch, lentil soup. Dinner, stir-fried tofu and broccoli. 3. Low-carb diet, reduce carbohydrates. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach. Lunch, chicken salad with avocado. Dinner, zucchini noodles with turkey meatballs. 4. Paleo diet, focus on unprocessed foods. Breakfast, spinach smoothie. Lunch, beef stir-fry. Dinner, baked chicken thighs. 5. Flexitarian diet, primarily vegetarian with some meat. Breakfast, avocado toast. Lunch, black bean salad. Dinner, vegetable curry. 6. DASH diet, emphasize whole foods and reduce sodium. Breakfast, oatmeal with banana. Lunch, spinach salad with shrimp. Dinner, turkey burgers with asparagus. 7. Intermittent fasting, alternate eating and fasting periods. Lunch, chicken salad. Dinner, baked cod with broccoli. 8. Low FODMAP diet, minimize fermentable carbs. Breakfast, rice cakes with peanut butter. Lunch, quinoa with chicken. Dinner, grilled lamb chops. 9. Ketogenic diet, high fat, low carb. Breakfast, omelette with avocado. Lunch, spinach salad with chicken. Dinner, beef stew with vegetables. 10. Nutrient-dense plan, focus on high-nutrient foods. Breakfast, kale smoothie. Lunch, turkey wrap. Dinner, grilled shrimp tacos. These meal plans offer variety and balance, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet for long-term weight loss. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.